Welcome back. Today we're going to discuss problem number 2 on lab chart. The problem statement here is determine strength of a bolt or a bolt value used in the lab chart as shown in figure below. Use M16 bolt with property class 5.6 and ultimate strength of the plate is 410 MPa. So this is the figure they are given. This is the force application direction. So this is the pitch and end distance. So here they are connecting two plates here of different thickness, whereas in the last problem we are connected lab joint of same plate thickness. The given data here is M16 bolt. M stand for metric, 16 stand for diameter of the bolt in terms of millimeter. Therefore D is 16 millimeter. Pitch is given 50 millimeter. FUB ultimate tensile strength of the bolt, since subgrade property class 5.6, we should take 500 Newton per millimeter square. End distance 30 millimeter. Ultimate strength of the plate they given 410 MPa, that is 410 Newton per millimeter square. Since they are asking bolt value, we should calculate both shear strength and bearing strength of a bolt. Whichever is this, that will be the bolt value. So first we are going to calculate design shear strength of a bolt VDSP according to section 10.3.3 of IS 800-2007. Here this is the formula. So here we are going to get this one in connection chart section of IS 800-2007 in page number 73. Here so 10.3.3, here this is the formula. VDSP equal to VNSP by gamma MB, nothing but again if you go for VDSP, VNSP FU root 3 NN ANB NS ANB ASP. FU is ultimate tensile strength of the bolt, this is FU. NN number of shear plane threads shear intersect in the shear plane, number of shear plane without threads, that is shank portion intersect in the shear plane. ASP the shank plane area, ANB the thread net thread area. Here if you look into the formula here, F is 500 in our case, root 3 gamma MB we should take from table number 5 of IS 800-2007. Partial safety factor for materials. Here if you see here, so for bearing type of bolts, gamma MB we should take as 1.25 per workshop fabrication, field fabrication is 1.25. We should take 1.25. This is the table. Partial safety factor of materials gamma M. Again, if substitute the formula, the gamma MB, here the bolts are subject to shingle shear. The bolt will break into two pieces after application of the force. So we need to assume either thread portion in the shear plane or shank portion in the shear plane. Here I assume shank portion in the shear plane. Therefore, the portion with the episode thread will become 0. That is NN equal to 0, NS equal to 1. If you club these two, you should get 1, since you have only one shear plane. ASP formula pi by 4 d square. This comes out to be 201.06 millimeter square. Gamma MB is 1.25. Substitute the formula 500 root 3 1.25 into 1 into 201.06, that is ASP into 10 power minus 3 to get the answer in terms of kilonewton, since the tensile strength in Newton. If we convert into kilonewton, we should multiply with 10 power minus 3 or divide by 1000, that is 10 power 3. Here the strength of a bolt in shear is 46.43 kilonewton. So if come to design bearing strength of a bolt, with this one we should calculate according to 10.3.4 of IS 800-2007. This is bearing capacity of bolt. This is the formula. Here KB is this the formula VDPB, VNPB by gamma MB. VNPB is 2.5 KB dt FU. This is nominal bearing capacity of bolt, where KB is smaller of P by 3D naught, P by 3D naught minus 0.25, FUB by FU 1.0, where E and P are the end and pitch distances of the fastener, that is bolt, along the bearing direction, force direction. D naught diameter of the bolt hole. FUB and FU in this formula. FUB is ultimate tensile strength of bolt, that is in our case 500. FU ultimate tensile strength of plate. Here we should take plate. D is the nominal diameter of the bolt. T we should take based on different joints and the plate thickness we should take. So here if you calculate what is KB, so where D naught is the diameter of the bolt value, D naught would be equal to what? D plus 2.0, that is clearance we should take from table number 19 of IS 800-2007. So here you're going to get what? The information about the clearance. The size of the hole, the D naught should be equal to nominal diameter of the fastener for its clearance. This is table number 19. So this is the diameter of the fastener, that is bolt. The bolts of having diameter of 16 mm in our case, 16 to 22 mm we should take 2.0 as a clearance slot. So therefore the d naught will be d plus 2.0, that will comes out to be 18 millimeter. If substitute to the formula, we are going to get this E by 3D as 0.555, P by 3D as minus 0.25 as 0.675, Fu by Fu is 1.22 and 1.0. So here the least value is Kp 0.555. If substitute to the formula, that is VDPP formula, it is in the bearing strength formula, 2.5, 0.555, that is Kb value, diameter of the bolt into T. T we should take at least plate thickness, whereas in the last problem, since they have connected same plate, we should take any one of the plate thickness. Here we have different plate thickness, we should calculate for least plate thickness the bearing value, that is comes out P8. Here since we are connecting at 8 mm and 10 mm, we should take 8 into 410 is the ultimate strength of a plate. 10 power minus 3 we should multiply to get the answer in kilonewton. It would be gamma m, that is 1.25. 58.25 kilonewton is the bearing strength of a bolt. Therefore, the bolt value is the least value of VDSP and VDPP, that comes out to be 46.43. This indicates if the bolt in the connection subjected to 46.43 kilonewton, excess of this, the bolt will going to automatically fail due to shear, will not going to fail in bearing. This is the design strength of the bolt in this chart. Thank you.